Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Vista Academy of Visual and Performing Arts here in Vista, California. Just got done sharing my heart. This is my second visit for this school year. And we revisited the topic on leadership. The sub-theme was passion to purpose, right? So the idea is that even at a young age, we can get the wheels turning, thinking about what it is that we're passionate about, what we love to do, the things that make us come alive, that fire inside in our hearts. And we can already start using those gifts and abilities to go and help others, right? And that becomes our purpose, where we choose to shine our light just like stars, like this image you see on the screen, part of the assembly today for the AM, PM after school program, students and staff. And I wear this shirt for this particular program. It's multicolored peace sign because there's so many different ways to be a leader. Some of us lead with our voice when we're vocal, loud leaders like myself. I talk a lot. Some of us are more quiet leaders. We lead by example. We have that quiet strength. We just kind of choose to lead with our actions, right? And there's no right way or wrong way to be a leader as long as we're doing something positive for this planet. And we know that every action, no matter how small, can make a difference. We always want to put the most important things in our life first, kind of prioritize that. And we know that it's people first, things second. But we also know that it's not just about us. We have to be thinking about what we're doing for others, right? And when we really try to protect our goals, our dreams, our passions, and really try to hone in on that and focus on that, all of a sudden, we find opportunities each and every day to go and be that change and to lead that change. This means that we also, as leaders, know how powerful we are, how amazing we are, and we try to see that in ourselves and others. And this is the concept that I always bring up in every assembly because it's so important to me. But the fact that we are all true miracles, right? With the lines on our hand, I trace one of mine here. M for miracle, upside down, W's for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we believe this, once we buy into this, now we can go out and be that light to someone else's heart, right? And we know that we also have to do the right thing when no one's watching. That's strong character, like talking about being like a bowling ball today, right? And also, we also believe that we're going to keep doing things with the mindset of thinking about what we want to be remembered for. And that's called our legacy, right? Our true legacy. And to be able to have the courage, to like step into that and already, start thinking about that as a young person is huge, right? And it's so awesome. A lot of the students that came up to me afterwards and shared their heart with me about their passions and what they want to start utilizing, right? Even here in elementary school to go and be that change and help others around them. It's so inspirational for me, that they're picking up that torch, that they really want to go out and use their life experiences that they've already had as ways to go and positively impact the lives around them in their community, not just here at school, their neighborhoods where they live. And that's how we start to make this world a better and brighter place. So thanks for touching my heart. It's great to be back here at VAPA. I'll be back again one more time in May for 2025, 2026. Until then, though, have a great next few months. Really put some of those life lessons we talked about into practice. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.